Hi, everybody. This is Fire Moon Alchemy, and I'm popping on here to give you all a little weekend pick-me-up. So it is Friday, December 6th, and we made it through the first week of December. Woo! Can we all just take a moment to breathe and give ourselves a little bit of credit? This week has been intense, and I have heard from so many of you that it's been a bit of a roller coaster. So as we step into the weekend, let's reset. I've pulled some tarot cards to offer a little extra guidance and love for each of you, and hopefully this will give you the boost you need to make this weekend a good one. So let's go ahead and get started. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you've been carrying a lot emotionally this week. It's okay to step back and give yourself permission to rejuvenate. Cancer, curl up with a blanket, Netflix, and your favorite comfort food. You've earned it. Scorpio, this is a good time to let go of something that's been weighing you down. You are a fixed water sign, so I get that change doesn't always come easy, but ask yourself, is it time to create space in your head or heart, or maybe both, for something better? Pisces, lean into your creative side. Draw, paint, write, indulge in a favorite hobby, etc. Whatever it is that you enjoy doing, let your imagination do the heavy lifting for a while. And y'all's tarot card for this weekend is the Moon. And this card is your reminder that it's okay not to have all the answers right now. One step at a time is still progress. So over the next few days, try giving yourself the amazing love that you freely offer to others. Trust your intuition more, as this weekend may reveal a secret or insight which proves to be a game changer for you. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Has your mind been going 1,000 miles an hour this week, especially with Mercury in retrograde? I can imagine how you all must be feeling. So this weekend, find a way to press pause. Gemini, call that friend who always knows how to make you laugh and brings you back down to earth. Libra, it would be good for you to get those scales back into balance. Go somewhere that helps you feel calm and physically connected, like a park, a favorite coffee shop, or maybe even a small business where the energy is warm and welcoming. Aquarius, I'm sensing some boredom from you. Has the same old routine got you down? Shake things up a little bit. You are the visionary of the Zodiac. What area in your life could use an update or a fresh approach? Put your ideas down on paper. Some of you are onto something here. Now, y'all's tarot card is the Star, and the Star is here to remind my air signs that hope is always within reach. Now, the universe is listening, so take a moment to focus on what inspires you. Maybe say some positive affirmations, because know that what you're putting out there is on its way to you. You've got this. Now, my earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, you all have been pushing through this week like the champs you are, but this weekend, it's time to slow down and recharge. There's a physical exhaustion that's coming through here. Taurus, treat yourself to something indulgent, like a good meal, a long bath with extra magnesium, such as Epsom salts or magnesium chloride, or maybe even just take time out for a nice nap. Do you know a Cancer sign? I talked about them before. Maybe you can join them for a Netflix and chill evening. Virgo, this is your reminder that the world won't fall apart if you take a break this weekend. Seriously, put down that to-do list and take a break. Let them help you. It may not be done exactly how you would have done it, but it'll still get done. Capricorn, the world has been on your shoulders this week, and wow, is it heavy. Pamper your mind, body, and spirit this weekend with a relaxing massage, mani-pedi, and then top it off with a relaxing evening. Take your mind out of the game for a day or two and decompress. You'll feel a lot better next week if you do this. Now, my Earth Signs Tarot card is the Hermit, and the Hermit invites you all to take some quiet time for yourself to reflect and reconnect. Now, let's move on to my fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. If your flame has felt a little dimmed this week, this weekend is all about reigniting your spark. Aries, move your body to release any pent up heavy energy. Some of y'all are kind of tightly wound up here. A light workout, gentle yoga, dancing, even if it's just in your living room, maybe a brisk walk in the park, or whatever activity you enjoy doing will do wonders to get those juices flowing again in a positive direction. Leo, lighten up your vibe by glamming yourself up and doing something fun. Surround yourself with people who get you and make you feel like the star you are. And you know who those people are. This weekend, make it all about you and leave those negative Nellies at home. Sagittarius, your adventurous side is calling. Try something new to shake up your routine. Consider taking in a Christmas light tour or attending some other holiday-themed event this weekend. I think being out and about and being around some glittering holiday lights will lift your spirits. Now, the tarot card for my fire signs is the Sun, and the Sun is here to light up your weekend. It's a reminder to let loose and have some fun every now and then, and to celebrate life's small successes. Have a good time, my fire signs out there. You've earned it. Okay, everyone, if you are seeing this message, consider this a permission slip from the universe to make this weekend about you. Take care of yourself and stay in your magic. I love you all, and I'll see you next week.